Hey, this is Aiden. I'm the developer of tunnl.app, and in this video, I want to show you how to use the OpenZiti quick start script that I wrote that will bring up a OpenZiti controller and edge router automatically and super easily on a new VPS. So, to start off with here, you need two domains. You need er1.root domain. Root domain can be any subdomain that you own, or any domain and subdomains that you own. And CTRL. You need er1 and CTRL. But once you have those configured, you can then run the quick start script command. So let me just grab it here. tunnl.app / it's install-openziti.sh. Type to sh. So just run this command and the quick start script will start running. So this is the target directory. This is just where all the configuration files and data will be put. I just want to leave it as default. The root domain, like I was discussing earlier, I think mine is ziti.local.ahop.dev. And then it's going to install an OpenZiti controller and edge router super quickly and super easily. And if anything fails, it'll let you know. So you don't have to worry about that. Yep. So now we've enrolled the edge router, and look at that, we're done. So now you have a working OpenZiti network that you can use for whatever you need it to do. So it already has the edge router policies that allow services to use the edge routers. So now you just need to enroll your identity and start hosting services. Let me just copy this password, and we're gonna go to this website here and go into the ZAC and then create a identity and then a service. Oh, that's not what I want. ziti.local.ahop needs to be CTRL. There it is. Don't worry if it says something like this. It's just it's using its own certificates, which is expected. And then go to the ZAC. Oh. Failed. Must have not copied it correctly. Okay. There we go. Now we're in. I'm going to go and create an identity. We'll do this. My MacBook Pro. And hit save. I'm going to download the token. And then I'm going to go to my ZT desktop edge. That's right here. And we got my MacBook Pro, and I'm going to enroll, and that'll take a second, but eventually it'll turn green, and then we can create a service. Okay, now we're ready to create a service. So go to simple service. I'm going to make the same service as in my last video I did on setting up an OpenZiti network. It's going to be hosted, or no, it's going to be accessed on, what do I want it to be accessed on? whoami.service 480. Identities that can host the service, my MacBook Pro. It's going to be sent to localhost or the loopback, and then 9999. There we go. Now we have a service that we can hit. So let me just come here, and I can curl 127.0.0.1.9999. And there we go. So now we know the service is running on my MacBook. So now I can hit curl whoami, or let me do curl whoami.service, and it will hit the exact same service, but over this domain. But I could also go to any enrolled identity that has access to the service and then hit it from there, because OpenZiti will create the tunnels in the service mesh to do that. So be sure to check out tunnl.app. It's supposed to make using an OpenZiti network super easy, and then sharing it with other people as well. So have a good day. Bye.